Hey guys, want to remove YouTube from your device? I got you. Even though we can't delete YouTube as our devices don't let us do it, but I know some other ways that I will tell. First of all, find YouTube and long click on it. Now click on App Info and then in the bottom, click on Disable. Another way to remove YouTube is by going to the settings and then scroll down and find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Click on it and then click on App Timers under Ways to Disconnect. Scroll down to the very bottom and click on YouTube. Now click on App Timer under Settings and then set App Timer to 0 hours, 0 minutes and then click on OK. Now the total time allowed per day of YouTube will be set to 0 minutes and no one will be able to use it. That's all. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content.